welcome back to AG Tech channel. In this video, I will say some harsh truth about coaching centers in Hyderabad, Amirpet, especially because many students who graduated will join coaching centers blindly, like Jet Spiders, J Spiders, M Spiders, like many coaching centers in Amirpet will go and blindly join there. How much money they charge, what is the placement support will they give, is 100% placement guaranteed, how many months will the training last, will companies visit these coaching centers or not. I'll answer all these questions in this video, so please don't skip and watch till the end. What is the harsh truth about these coaching centers is there are many coaching centers where they'll say like we'll provide Java full stack, DevOps, data science, data analytics and everything. All the training technologies will be available there. But you can see they'll charge 40 to 52,000, sorry, 40 to 50k per training, and it will last only for 1 or 2 hours daily, and they will not say consistently also. So what will happen is you will be in that trap, like I will learn everything from that coaching center and I will get the placement, but that won't happen, guys. In that training also there will be some sections, like they'll classify the students based on some money they paid or the knowledge they have. When the companies visit that coaching center, they just refer the names who are good, just for that, for just to show that we are getting placements in this coaching center also. But what is the reality is not everyone who joins will not get the placements. Even we will go for open drives in Hyderabad for sometimes, which they said like go, this company is offering some conducting his interviews. But when you go there, there is no interview, there is no company also. Sometimes many people are falling in this trap, and they are in the dilemma. I listened some of the stories, like they took 1 lakh rupees or some 1 lakh rupees for AWS coaching, and they said they provided the training and everything, and what they said is if you pass this one examination we will give the internship in one company. At the same time they gave the internship one company, but what the company did was after working for 6 months they rejected the person because they said your work is not good and the projects are not there, and even they did not provide stipend for 6 months also, and they are not returning the 1 lakh paid. So that student is in confusion what to do and what we have to say to the parents. Like what the parents will think is our kid is, or our child is studying and going to the trainings, he will get the placements by the end of this year, by the end of 3 months on. But that won't happen, guys. If you are genuinely interested in studying, study in home only, study through YouTube. Even that coaching center student lecturers or professors also, they say and learn from the YouTube itself. Please learn in the home itself. Don't waste your money on that coaching centers. Means I'm saying this head, so you will be careful before joining that coaching centers. If you really want to join, there is no another option for you. Take advice from 2 or 3 people who joined or who studied there, then you join. If you think it is 100% genuine and true, then only go for that coaching center. If not, prepare at home and study and attend the placements which will conduct offline, like you will apply through LinkedIn, Naukri, or some, you will have some YouTube videos also, right? These drives are open, you can apply for these years. So please go through that and learn from the YouTube. Depend only on yourself. Please don't think like someone will come and train me and I learn from them. That is not good and that won't happen. We will not improve our skills if we think like that. So please depend on yourself. Make a routine and stick to that routine and start practicing and get your job done. That's it for the video. I hope this helped to many students. If you like this video, please share this to the BTech students who need this. That's it for the video. Bye bye.